Howdy everybody, me Churchwick here. Anyway, so since Black Friday is coming up, and after this video, I actually have some tips and tricks videos for all you all. So let's go after it. Number 1, always keep yourself hydrated. That's right folks, if you want to keep yourself from the cold, you have to drink a lot of water, because a lot of water will get out of your system, and then you can be dehydrated from it. Anyway, number 2, always keep yourself warm. You can have a sweatshirt or a jacket, tent, or coffee if you want to. And trust me, this tent is pretty big. Anyway, the last step I have to give you all is keep all your stuff away from it so you can shoot somebody with it from getting that last Xbox for Nintendo Switch or any console. Like for example, my last year's Black Friday I went to. Oh yes. Oh man, I'm so happy that I got the last Nintendo Switch from the Black Friday sale. It's mine. Anyway, everybody, I hope you have a great time at Black Friday. Remember, I'm starting to run away from the FBI right now because I just shot somebody and killed somebody. Anyway, have a great Black Friday and stay safe. Please do.